I would like to start by thanking this board of directors for allowing me to serve as the compliance officer for this hospital. Today, I would like you to think about 4 subjects in healthcare: code of ethics, informed consent, quality and safety, and cultural competency. Code of ethics. Our code of conduct or ethics has to be precise, understood, and accepted by everyone working in the hospital to be effective. These are some of the characteristics that we have adopted for this organization. We support each other while serving our patients and community by conveying compassion, building collaborative relationships through skills, knowledge, and resources, focusing on finding solutions and getting rid of blame or complaints. We are continuous learners. We will be willing to make changes when necessary for the betterment of our patients. We will accept coaching and feedback and encourage new ideas to serve our community and patients. We will continue training classes and new certifications. We will strive for excellence with compassionate care, empathy, integrity, physical accountability, innovation, teamwork, and responsibility. Informed consent. There are 2 ethical requirements for informed consent: respect for the individual and respect for their autonomy. Informed consent is a decision that is made in cooperative fashion between a physician or healthcare provider and a patient. It is also a set of legal guidelines that healthcare professionals must follow as they work together with patients. Patients have the right to make their own decision on what healthcare services or treatments they want or will allow after talking with their physician. Quality and safety is a must in healthcare today. We aim to provide safer diagnosis and treatment through training and checks and balances. The electronic health records has helped tremendously with catching allergies, medications, interactions, and being able to see test results, diagnosis, and treatments from one provider to the next within the hospital. Through this, inpatient teams have improved on making sure that patients are receiving the right diagnosis and treatment. By reducing our patient load for healthcare provider and taking time to listen and work with our patients, we have reduced harm and improved quality of care and safety. Cultural competency is the ability of a healthcare professional to provide care to patients according to their beliefs, values, and behaviors. In 2015, in the United States, 13.2% of the population were foreigners, and 21% spoke a language other than English. Healthcare professionals must respect different values and beliefs, even if they do not agree with them. A patient that believes it is morally wrong to accept a blood transfusion because it goes against her faith should be respected. The physician should explain to the patient the medical reason for the transfusion and the consequences if they do not take the transfusion. But if the patient still refuses, then her beliefs are to be respected. Also, because of language barriers, every patient has the right to be spoken to in the language they understand, even if it is through a translator. It is important that they are able to understand their medical diagnosis and proposed treatment so that they can make the proper decision. Thank you for allowing me to update you on some of the things that I, as the compliance officer, have been working on to make this hospital a better place for our staff and our patients. I look forward to your feedback.